Today we will talk about something that bothers many people over 60, leg cramps. Yes, those painful, sudden spasms in your legs, especially at night, can disturb your sleep and affect your daily life. But here is the good news. You can reduce those cramps and strengthen your legs with a few smart dietary choices and healthy habits. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. These foods are backed by science and full of nutrients essential for aging muscles. So make sure you watch until the end. Why leg cramps happen in seniors? Let's discuss this important aspect. I'll show you and guide you. Do you know this fact? Almost 60% of older adults above 60 experience leg cramps regularly, especially at night. So why does this happen? As we age, the following changes naturally occur in our bodies. Muscle loss and reduced flexibility, which is called sarcopenia. The other thing is dehydration, which happens more easily in older people. The third thing is low levels of key minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. And sometimes even the side effects of common medications such as diuretics, statins, or blood pressure pills. These deficiencies can all lead to painful muscle cramps, especially in the legs. That's why understanding the role of elderly nutrition is so important. Prevention starts from your plate. Now, a question arises. Can food prevent muscle cramps and support senior wellness? Yes, absolutely. Your diet is powerful in keeping your muscles hydrated, flexible, and functional, especially when it's rich in certain vitamins, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Many older adults are not aware that what they eat could relieve or worsen their muscle pain. The Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy highlights that diets rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium help reduce the frequency and intensity of muscle cramps in seniors. So today, let's uncover the top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors and how they can help you naturally strengthen your legs. So here's the food number 1, bananas, the potassium king. Just one medium banana contains nearly 400 mg of potassium, which is an essential mineral for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Bananas are a wonderful source of nutrition for seniors, especially if you are taking medications that may cause potassium loss like diuretics. Here is how bananas help. They support muscle function and reduce nighttime leg cramps. They provide quick energy, especially before a walk or mild exercise. Also, they are easy on digestion, making them perfect for elderly health tips. Eat a ripe banana with a handful of soaked almonds in the morning to improve leg strength and support your health throughout the day. Spinach, which is the magnesium powerhouse. Do you know the fact that a single cup of cooked spinach contains nearly 150 milligrams of magnesium, which plays a key role in preventing muscle cramps and regulating nerve function? As we grow older, magnesium deficiency becomes more common, especially in people with diabetes, high blood pressure, or digestive issues. And that's where spinach becomes your best friend. Here is how spinach supports senior wellness. It relaxes muscles naturally and also reduces the chance of cramps at night. It also supports bone health when paired with calcium-rich foods. It also helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar, which are common issues in seniors. Try eating steamed spinach with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of black pepper. Add it to soups, lentils, or omelets. It's gentle, nourishing, and full of minerals. Now, a question arises: if I'm eating healthy, why do I still get cramps? Here is what many people overlook. Yes, this is hydration. Even mild dehydration can increase the risk of leg cramps, especially if you are walking outdoors, taking medications that flush out water like diuretics, or not drinking enough fluids during the day. Simple water, coconut water, and herbal teas are excellent for hydration. Drink a glass of lukewarm water first thing in the morning and aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses per day. You can even add a pinch of pink salt and a squeeze of lemon to support your electrolyte levels naturally. And here is the food number 3, yogurt, the calcium and probiotic hero. Calcium is not just for bones, but it also plays a direct role in muscle contraction and nerve signaling. And one of the best sources of calcium for seniors is plain yogurt. But that's not all. Yogurt also contains probiotics, which improve gut health and help your body absorb minerals like magnesium and potassium more effectively. Here is how yogurt support senior health and prevent leg cramps. It is rich in calcium and vitamin D, which support muscles and bone health. It also contains live cultures that improve digestion and mineral absorption. It is easy to include in the daily senior diet, and it's gentle on aging stomachs. Go for plain unsweetened yogurt, add sliced banana or chia seeds for a delicious cramp fighting snack. Avoid heavily flavored varieties that are high in sugar. Now let's quickly recap the top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. First is bananas, because they are good for potassium and quick muscle relief. The second one is spinach. It is good for magnesium and overall senior wellness. And the last food is yogurt. Yogurt contains calcium, probiotics, and helps in digestion. These foods are easy to find, simple to prepare, and scientifically proven to support elderly health tips and reduce muscle cramps naturally. Here is my final advice. If you are over 60, experiencing leg cramps, or want to stay active, confident, and independent, start adjusting your diet with these foods. Combine them with light daily stretching, gentle walking, and regular hydration, and you will notice the difference in a few weeks. And remember, senior nutrition isn't about big changes. It's about small, consistent steps that support your body, mind, and energy levels daily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and comment below which of these foods will you try first. And also please share this video with your parents, grandparents, or any older adult who could benefit from these senior health tips. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay active, and eat wisely.